Hey snowmobilers, I'm here in the garage with our 2024 Catalyst, and I've got a new kit from One Rig Design that is a no-drill scratcher. The ZRs do not come with their own scratchers, and I decided that I was going to add that just in case I run into low snow conditions or difficult conditions where cooling is a problem. And let's get to it. So when you order from One Ring Design, what do you get? In this case, I've got, in the box here, I've got the exact mount that I will need. And it's really simple. I mean, there's really not much to it. It's some CNC machined aluminum brackets and some bolts to hold it all together. This is the actual mount. All right, but then these mounts are designed to use specific scratchers. Now, I'm told that you can use, any number of scratchers, and you can choose your own if you want to, but I went with the scratchers that they recommend, so I ordered these at the same time from One Rig Design, and these are SPI scratchers. They're kind of a Skidoo style scratcher, but again, this is the mounts were designed to work with these, so I decided to order them at the same time. So now let's see what happens when we put it all together. And as you can see, this one has a groove in it that only fits one way, right there. And the next thing, you basically match it with this bracket, and then there's the bracket that comes with the scratcher, and my assistant will hold all this together. Nope, where are you going? Oh, my assistant will be climbing on me to make sure that that I do everything correctly. Okay, so then what you do is you put the bolt in here, line it all up. Same thing with this side, line it all up. And then put the nuts on. Now, these are nylon lock nuts, so they only go on a little ways, but that actually works in our favor, because we want this loose enough that I can put the scratcher on. So now the front of the snowmobile is that way, so the scratcher is behind, and I'm going to put the scratcher on right here. Now I can tighten them up. So now, okay, the little mounting bracket here, there's a hole. So make sure you can see that. There's a hole right there in the suspension, and that happens to be the perfect distance away to hold the scratcher out of the way when you're not using it. Now, what I discovered is that this is nylon, and it does not do a very good job of holding on to the okay, and there we go. It's on. Really, really super simple project, and something you can do again in your driveway or in your garage or wherever that you need to do it. It's simple tools. You don't need anything fancy. There's nothing to torque down. You just make sure they're tight. They don't come loose because they use nylon lock nuts for everything. And when the scratchers wear out, you just it's really easy to unbolt them and bolt on a new set. So with that, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on the trail.